Hello, my people of Swaziland. You are going to miss an opportunity to leverage, okay? You have now gotten the attention of Senate and Congress. There are 4 senators who have passed the resolution. That's Senator Cory Booker of New York, Senator of Delaware, Christopher Coons. Then you've got James Risk, Senator of Idaho. And then you've got Tim Scott of South Carolina. Tim Scott and Cory Booker are African Americans. Okay? Cory Booker even went for president. So Tim Scott is a Republican and Cory Booker is a Democrat. But they're all on board, okay? And 2 of them are African Americans and 2 of them are white Americans, okay? The 4 of them have passed the resolution. We have an opportunity to close this case on King Mswati III. But what we're going to need to do is to come together in a full participative approach and show readiness to govern. That's why I called for a government of national unity a long time ago to bring all the various stakeholders. PPA and MSF in where you put them. They're pushing for a one-party state. They're talking about a Podemo-led government. Those are the bigger spoilers. They all need to join with the other political formations and bring in the civil society and bring in the Council of Churches, the church groups, bring the civil society and bring, and come together in unified. Because we have to draft a constitution, all of us as Swazis. We have to take the full state machinery from King Mswati and bring it back to the people of Swaziland. Podemo is not going to be able to do that. PPA and MSF are not going to do that. A GNU is going to be able to do it because they'll get the full support of the United States and European Union, and they will exact pressure on King Mswati. Okay? When you're going for this stupid dialogue without a set of demands, without a set of preconditions, and you're not even spelling out what is the offer and compromise. When we are in a negotiated in a political settlement, it's a give and take. Makhosetive has committed some of the most heinous, despicable crimes against humanity. I will believe it for you to tell him, remain a key, all you want is just the prime minister. That's what you've been saying. That's what Kazela has been saying. That's what Bombulus Makanya have been saying. That's what Bosbongile Masbuga have been saying. This man does not deserve a place under the sun. He needs to be put in prison and he must be executed. He must be tried, prosecuted, and given the death penalty. He must spend a minimum of 10 years in prison for what he has done. To shoot a civil rights leader, an American educated civil rights leader like Thulani Maseko, no, he should not be forgiven for that. He should be punished for that. To slaughter Swazis for their human blood and their flesh because he believes in these ritual killings. To go to schools and kidnap little underage children, goes to rape them in his palaces and don't even bother to report to the parents that he has kidnapped their kids from school. Rape the kids and force them into forced marriages. To come even all the way to the United States to remove Sperela Mashwama, a freshman college kid, a Swazi girl, and remove it and force her into marriage with himself. Such a man should not be forgiven. To steal the retirement pension funds of Swazis with Longo Kelo and your current Prime Minister, Cleopas. Okay? Depleted, to steal, to go to the Master of the High Court with Justice Mapalala and steal all the funds of the orphans. He steals from orphans and widows. Makhosetive. So he should not be forgiven. Thank you. You need to form a delegation and come to the United States. I will take you. Manti will take you. And I know who the players are. I know everybody there in Congress and Senate, the key players. So we need to close this case. Don't waste time with this dialogue bullshit. You don't even have, one time they'll be in prison and they're going to go and have a talk with Makhosetive. Bokazela will be in exile, IP, all those people, and you're going to have a talk with Makhosetive. Are you serious? You're not serious. You copy paste from South Africa, but you copy the wrong thing. That's not how it went in South Africa, the talks. They were under pressure. But Stephen must be one asking for talks, not you. But you're stupid. I mean, it's like you're going to sit and talk to Stephen about, and what leverage do you have? But you can get the leverage from the United States if you form a delegation and bring it here and form a formal case here. I'm telling you, these Americans want to help us, but you guys don't want to cooperate. They ask you, how are you going to run the government? What kind of a government are you going to have? How will you run the country? No answer to this day. United States ambassador asked you, she was giving you an opening, and you let it go. This time again, you're going to let the opening go because we'll put them, we'll let government. Bye-bye.